The Major Investigation Division has launched a probe into the killing of two men in Burswick District, St. Catherine on Friday night. The deceased are Jason Brown, a 40-year-old bartender of Burton District, St. Catherine, and David Clark, otherwise called Blacks, a 39-year-old laborer of Berwick District. The police say about 11:20 p.m. both men and the bartender were at a bar in Burswick District, which is owned by Brown. The bartender was reportedly in the bathroom when explosions were heard, and both men were found suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds. The partially decomposed body of a man reported missing by his family was found in Rodney's Arm, Portmore, on Saturday evening. 24-year-old Maria Downer, a basketball player of a Bridgeport, Portmore address, was reported missing by members of his family on Thursday, May 16. Reports are that Downer's body was found with a belt tied to his neck in an abandoned building in the area. Prior to falling into disrepair, Rodney's Arm was a hotspot for cultural tourists. Since then, it has become a safe haven for criminal activities. A man was killed by police during an alleged confrontation in Dayton, Manchester on Saturday morning. Relatives named the deceased as Andre Knight, otherwise called Boxer, a 41-year-old construction worker and resident of Dayton. Head of the Manchester Police, Deputy Superintendent Kerry Duncan, told journalists that the man confronted the police and a 9mm pistol was seized. Around 4:30 a.m., the police team came to his location with the intention of executing a search warrant. The house was breached, and on entering, they were confronted by a man who was armed with a firearm. The police responded and the man was shot and injured. He was taken to the Mandeville Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead. One firearm was also recovered, said Duncan. Knight's relatives were reluctant to speak on record to the media at the scene. They, however, questioned the police version of the incident. The Independent Commission of Investigations is probing the incident.